How to set private DNS on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the info icon beside the Wi-Fi you are connected to. Now, scroll down and you will see the Configure DNS option. Tap on that and then go ahead and select the manual option. Further, tap on the Add Server option you see there and then go ahead and enter your private DNS. Finally, tap on the Save button in order to save the changes that you just made, and with this, your DNS will be changed. So, this is how you can set private DNS on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.